I know a lot of you guys out there don't like to wear helmets because they irritate your head, or they mess up your hair, or they put marks on your face or something, or they make your face real red. When you take your helmet off, you think you look bad. A lot of people just refuse to wear helmets because of the irritation. But I'm going to tell you in this video, guys, some tips and tricks to make a helmet more comfortable and enjoyable for out here on the streets.
Let's go for a ride. Subscribe today.
First off, I want to say, guys, is that this is the most awesome helmet that I've ever owned. I've had a lot of different helmets, as I told you in the past. Over the close to 12 years I've been on YouTube, man. I've had all the major brands, most of them, and I probably had maybe 50 helmets, man, and this is the best. I have a link to this helmet that comes with an automatic tint shield, which is rare, and my heated gloves, my airbag vest to help keep you safe. Links to all my gears in the description and comment section of this video. But I'll tell you this, with a lot of experience of altering with my helmets or whatnot over the years, I will tell you what will help make it more comfortable riding with a helmet. First off is to wear earplugs. Never ride a motorcycle without wearing earplugs, man. There is no helmet that is quiet enough on this earth that'll protect your ears. Contrary to popular belief, a lot of you guys think there's a very quiet helmet they make or something. There's no helmet that's going to protect your hearing out there, guys. Okay, you will incur hearing damage. You will probably end up with tinnitus if you ride around here with no earplugs. Okay, I have a link to the earplugs that I use that are absolutely awesome. They're disposable, they're comfortable, foamy earplugs. But another thing that a lot of people don't do wearing a helmet is they don't put on a scully cap. You should I have a boo-boo cap. I don't know if you ever heard of the boo-boo cap. I have a link to it in the description, the comment section of this video. Very inexpensive. And it's basically a do-rag cap, skull cap, you put on your head. And I tell you, put that on your head, and that makes it so much easier to slide your helmet on and off. And also it keeps your head cooler. It just acts as a barrier between the helmet liner and your hair or your scalp. For those of you that have a bald head, it's good for that too. For those of you guys have a bald head, it makes it so much more comfortable. And if you put the scully cap over your ears, so it'll make it so you won't have irritation from your ears in your helmet. It slides right, your helmet will slide right over your head and ears. And I know some of you guys got some Alfred E. Newman ears and big old satellite ears, stick out. That'll help keep them big old ears tuckered down, pinned down, so when you can slide your helmet on, make it much more comfortable for you. You know what I'm saying? And I don't leave my house without a boo-boo scully cap. I'll tell you that right now. And I love it. Another thing that's going to make it for comfortable riding, wearing a helmet, a tip that I can give you is having a transition shield, aka an automatic tint shield, I call it, so you guys understand what it is. A lot of you guys don't know the term transition shield, but that's a true term for it. This is one of the very few helmets on the market, if not the only helmet, that actually comes with a transition shield. That is awesome. As you can see here, it's getting dusk right now, and it'll get clearer so I can see clear. But if it's very sunny, it'll automatically darken up. So that way you don't have to put on a change from a clear shield to a tinted shield, which is an annoyance to do, and have to carry an extra shield with you. I'll tell you, I did it for many years. Okay, like I said, been on YouTube for almost 12 years. 50 helmets. I've done it all with helmets, man, for the most part. Every kind of helmet I've had too. And the transition shield is worth its weight in gold. A lot of helmets don't even have a transition shield. You have to switch between a stupid whoa, I want to make sure. It's real cold out here, guys, and I saw that water. I'm thinking ice. It's like in the 30s right now. The sun went down, dude. Where I'm in the dead of winter here, guys. So that kind of scared me there for a minute, man. I probably shouldn't be riding out here, but I got to get out and ride, dog. But anyways, the transition shield's worth its weight in gold, man. And this helmet comes with it. Like I said, I got a link to this helmet. Another a tip for you is to make sure that you measure your head. Okay, take a tape measure and measure just above your eyebrow around your head, and then that'll give you the measurement you need for the proper size helmet that you need. And go by the size chart. Okay, and when you get the helmet, don't think that, because you put the helmet on and it's super tight, you're like, oh, I gotta send it back and get a bigger one. No, man. If you measured your head right and you got the right size, the helmet will be just fine. It takes some time to break in. Trust me, you don't want a loose helmet right off the jump, because it will get even looser and your helmet will be all over your head and not good for protection. Okay, you want to get the correct size. It'll be tight starting off, and then it will form fit to your head over time. Okay, trust me. I've been through it. I bought a big old XL head where I look like a big old bobblehead with a double XL helmet because I wanted some looser fit starting off. And like I said, then the helmet's all over your head because it wears in and it's too big for your head, man. So make sure you get a proper fitting helmet. And I tell you guys that getting a lightweight helmet, like I have a carbon fiber helmet like this helmet, very lightweight, 3 pounds. I think this is in a medium, 3 pounds 7 ounces on my scale. And if you can get a lighter weight helmet, it's great. But the lighter weight helmet, when you have a really heavy helmet, it causes fatigue and irritation, man. And this, by the way, this helmet is one of the very few helmets that's a carbon helmet that's actually Snell 2015 and DOT approved. Snell is like the best rating you can get. Next, ECE is good, a rating to get approval or whatever for a helmet, but I think Snell is one of the best, if not the best rating you can get on a helmet. And this helmet is top rated, guys. It has more protection than most helmets on the market. It even has low impact protection with this helmet. Now it's not a cheap helmet. What I'm telling you, cheap helmets, your head, you can't put a price on your head, guys. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to cheap out. Some things you just don't want to cheap out, and the helmet is one of them, guys. Okay, you want the best quality, the safest helmet that you can get. And also with this helmet, it actually has jade material. It's made from jade. It keeps your face cool, very comfortable. It's like a pillow wrapped around your head. Extremely comfortable, man. It's just an enjoyable helmet to ride with. And also, if you're a moto vlogger like myself, I'll tell you guys is that the best camera is this camera that I got, man. The Action 4 camera, guys. DJI Action 4 is awesome. I got rid of my GoPro for my helmet because in cold weather like this, guys, right now it's probably probably sitting at like 32 degrees. I'm freezing. Yeah, it's really cold out here. That my camera would it would freeze and cause all kind of problems when I had the GoPro. This DJI 4 Action, boy, no problem in cold or hot weather. And I can connect it to a power bank. As you see, I got the cable connected here where I can ride and talk all day long. And I got plenty of power with my power bank in the pocket of my jacket. And this has an audio adapter that plugs right into the camera. So you can plug in a power bank and an external mic. directly to the camera. So I don't have to have that stupid GoPro Hero adapter like I have on the side of the helmet you see here. I only kept it on there for backup for my GoPro Hero camera. So if I ever had any problems with this, I could easily switch back to the GoPro Hero. But I hope I don't ever have to. DJI action for the win, guys. I got a link to this camera in the description and comment section of this video if you want to get it. But yeah, and if you're a cold weather rider like I am, guys, it's imperative you have some of these heated lithium gloves, man, because I'm telling you, it's cold. And I got my winter Dionysic jacket, keeping all the cold air out. Make sure you're wearing that helmet and all the gear out here to stay safe. Because I see so many riders that end up having a real effed up day, man. Because they're stupid. They want to busy worried about the looks instead of their safety, man. End up having a real effed up day. Or no days left. Simply because they didn't wear a helmet and gear. Stupid, man. As you see, I'm not going that fast because the faster I go, the colder I get. On my boots especially, not my jacket. I can't wait to get home, baby. I know people looking at me like I'm crazy, man. Out here in the middle of the winter, dude. But today was a beautiful day. Had to get out here and ride. Leave a comment below, baby. Let's talk about it. But anyways, make sure to hit thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. Hit that little bell symbol so you get notified when I release my new videos. But I release new videos every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday at 11:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So until next time, I'll catch you guys later.